Natural makeup is super popular. It's a trend that has taken the beauty world by storm, and for good reason. It's all about looking fresh and glowing. The goal is to achieve a radiant complexion that looks like you're not wearing any makeup at all. We want to enhance, not hide, our features. Natural makeup allows your true beauty to shine through, highlighting your best attributes. This look is perfect for every day. Whether you're heading to work, school, or just out for a casual day, natural makeup is versatile and suitable for any occasion. Think of it like no makeup. It's light and effortless. The idea is to use minimal products to achieve a polished look without appearing overly done. You'll look amazing whether you're running errands or meeting friends. It's a look that fits seamlessly into your daily routine, making you feel confident and put together. This guide will help you master the art of natural makeup. We'll provide tips and tricks to help you perfect your technique and achieve that flawless natural look. We'll cover everything from skincare to blending. Proper skincare is the foundation of any great makeup look, and blending is key to making your makeup appear seamless. Get ready to embrace your natural beauty. With the right products and techniques, you can enhance your features and feel beautiful in your own skin. Before we start on makeup, let's talk skincare. Good skin is the foundation for any makeup look, especially a natural one. First, cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. This removes dirt and oil. Next, apply a moisturizer to hydrate your skin. Don't forget sunscreen. It protects your skin from the sun's harmful rays. A good skincare routine will make your makeup look even better. Now let's talk about the do's of natural makeup. Achieving a natural look is all about enhancing your features without overdoing it. It's about looking like the best version of yourself, effortlessly. These tips will give you a fresh, dewy look that radiates health and vitality. A dewy finish is key to achieving that youthful, glowing appearance. Start with a tinted moisturizer or BB cream. These products are perfect for providing just the right amount of coverage without feeling heavy on your skin. These provide light coverage and even out your skin tone, giving you a smooth and natural base. They are especially great for everyday wear. Choose a shade that matches your skin perfectly. It's important to test the product on your jawline to ensure it blends seamlessly with your neck. Next, conceal any blemishes or dark circles. A good concealer can make a world of difference in brightening up your face and making you look well-rested. Use a lightweight concealer and blend it well. The key is to use a small amount and build up coverage only where needed. Remember, we want a natural finish. Avoid heavy powders that can make your skin look cakey. Instead, opt for a translucent setting powder if you need to reduce shine. For a healthy glow, apply a cream blush to the apples of your cheeks. Cream blushes blend more naturally into the skin compared to powder blushes. Blend it upwards towards your temples. This technique lifts your face and gives you a more youthful appearance. A little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and build up the color gradually. This ensures you don't overdo it and keeps the look natural and fresh. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can enhance your natural radiance and achieve a beautiful, effortless look every day. Section 4. The don'ts. Keeping it fresh and natural. Now for the don'ts. When it comes to achieving a fresh and natural makeup look, there are a few key things to avoid. Avoiding these common mistakes will help you achieve a truly natural makeup look. Don't use heavy foundation. Heavy foundation can often lead to a cakey and unnatural appearance, which is the opposite of what we're aiming for. It can look cakey and unnatural. Instead, opt for products that offer lighter coverage. Opt for a tinted moisturizer or BB cream instead. These products provide a more breathable and natural finish, allowing your skin to shine through while still evening out your complexion. Avoid bright or shimmery eyeshadows. Bright and shimmery eyeshadows can be too overpowering for a natural look. Stick to neutral shades like beige, brown, or taupe. These colors enhance your eyes without being overpowering, creating a subtle and elegant effect. Don't overdo the bronzer. Applying too much bronzer can make your face look muddy and unnatural. Too much bronzer can make you look muddy. Instead, use bronzer sparingly to add a touch of warmth and definition to your face. Use it sparingly to contour your cheekbones and temples. A light hand with bronzer can help you achieve a naturally sculpted look without going overboard. Remember, the goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not to mask it. By following these tips, you can keep your makeup fresh, natural, and effortlessly beautiful. Section 5. Blending is your best friend. Blending is crucial for a natural makeup look. It ensures that your makeup looks seamless and effortless. Use a damp makeup sponge or a fluffy brush to blend your foundation, concealer, and blush. Blend in circular motions for a flawless finish. Don't forget to blend your eyeshadow as well. Use a blending brush to soften any harsh lines and create a gradient effect. Section 6. Conclusion: embrace your natural beauty. Congratulations, you've learned the secrets to achieving a natural makeup look. Remember, the key is to enhance your features, not mask them. Embrace your natural beauty and let it shine through. With these tips and tricks, you'll look and feel your best every day. Now go out there and rock that natural glow.